Okay,
Yes, this is
staff members of
YouTube. Could you please hold?
implement right here.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, okay. Bitch, I said please hold. Damn, bitch. In this session, what we're gonna do is see who our algorithm is gonna favor. Alright? So, this will be in effect for like 10 years, maybe 20. I don't really give a shit. So let's start. Okay, who do we have first? Okay, so on the algorithm charts, first country of YouTubers is the UK. Okay, British creators. Okay, let's favor them in our algorithm. Let's show up their content and let's give them average 20 million views a video. Yeah, they're good people. The British and whatnot. Okay, who we have next? Yes, second one. The USA. Okay, our fellow Americans. Yeah, you know. Let's give them roughly 20 million views a video. Let's give them sponsorship deals. Let's also partner with them. Don't forget us. Let's partner with them. Let's show up their content on everything, promote them, and give them premium. Let's put them on. Yeah, we got the premium thing, right? Yeah, let's put them on our premium YouTube thing. Yeah, the YouTube originals. Let's put all of them on that. Okay, that's seems about fair. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, and even if they curse, let's just look past that. We are Americans too, right? So let's look past that, right? Let's just push them on the front page, right? Let's represent. All right. So let's show all their small creators. Okay, they're small creators as well. Yeah, let's push them as well. Let's make them get 100,000 subscribers in like 2 days. What the hell? What the heck? I don't care. I'm rich anyway. So let's just do it. Okay, let's do that. Feed all America. Third one is Jamaica. I don't think that's a country. Is it a country? I don't know. Never heard of that country, Jamaica, in my life. So let's just push them down the algorithm. Let's not show their videos too much. No, let's give them average 10 views every video. For the bigger creators though, if they got 100,000 subscribers, let's just give them 20,000 views a video. Yeah, and let's give them no sponsorship deals. Let's not enable that in their country. No, we don't want that. And let's not show their shit too much, right? Yeah, cool. Yeah, I think that's about fair, right? I think that's about fair, right? Yeah, seems fair to me. Yeah, so yeah, let's just do that. Yeah, what the heck? I actually like this. So yeah, you can finish the rest, right? All the other countries, yeah, no views, whatever. I don't want to really care. I'm rich anyway, so peace.
Hard work, you drop it every day on the grind. So if you can't stop when they make it big time. Back it up a fat half, straight half 9. Long time, me I do it and fine. What the freak you feeling, never pass the ceiling. For the haters, them, me no need no dealings. To the top, me facing love, God embracing my flow. So waving them boys, I love KFC and tasty.